Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some spicy party pretzels. All right, in a great big bowl, I add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. And 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then I decided to add a teaspoon of chipotle pepper. But again, if you cannot find chipotle pepper, just 2 teaspoons of cayenne will do you. If you want it a little more mild, I just go with 1 teaspoon of cayenne. But I wanted this a little spicier. Then 1 pack of dry ranch seasoning. And then you just want to give this a little whisk to make sure everything is incorporated together. And then you want to take a 16-ounce bag of mini pretzels and place them in the bowl. And then you just want to grab a spoon or get your hands in there. You just want to toss the pretzels to coat. Then you realize the spoon sucks and just toss them in the bowl to coat. By the way, you should have preheated the oven to 200 degrees. 200 degrees Fahrenheit to be specific. And then on a parchment-lined baking sheet, you want to spread the pretzels into an even layer. And then you want to bake them until they're nice and done. It'll be about 2 hours. Don't worry about draining the oil off. That'll come out on its own. So 2 hours in the oven, and we should be good. All right, after 2 hours in the oven, you should be looking at something like this. Like I said, this is a perfect little addition for your Christmas thing you have at home. Or, again, for the proverbial office party or office potluck. So that's Spicy Party Pretzels. Done.